Welcome students, this is the Learning How to Draw class. I am Swapan. Today's video is specially for BFA students. Here we will learn composition fundamentals and we will discuss about the composition. So friends, today I'll show you how to draw a composition through gesture process. Today's topic is a village scenery with human figures and animal figures. Following this process, you can draw any types of figurative composition very easily. So first of all, we will mark the position very lightly for the first figure. It's called planning. With this process, we can understand from where we will start the drawing. Now we will draw the gesture drawing of this composition very lightly with few lines and shapes. Gesture drawing is an important process of a composition arrangement. So complete the whole gesture drawing of this composition. Here is a woman sitting with a pot behind the pond upon a big stone. See, follow the gesture drawing properly to draw the figure correctly. Now we will draw the objects around this figure. Then draw the cow cart in this way. At first draw the first cow. See, we will detail the cow following the real study. So you have to also do this. Similarly, draw the another cow following the same process. Also draw the men who drive the cow cart. For the cart, we will draw the structure and the wheels in this way. Also draw the fully loaded truck. Now come to the background. For the background, we will draw a very easy village scenery with a house and some trees. When you draw the face, you have to be carefully about it, following the gaps also. After completing up to this, finish the drawing with some minor detailing. So our whole composition drawing is completed. I am sure that following this process you can draw this composition very easily. For the color you have to wait for our next video. So friends, if you like this video, subscribe our channel, hit the like button and share it with your friends. Good luck to you all. Stay safe and be happy. Thank you and bye bye.